Welcome to the Best Picks. The best scale models is probably one of the most rewarding and enjoyable hobbies you can pick up, offering a fantastic blend of intricate detail and manageable size, perfect for both seasoned modelers and enthusiastic beginners. In this video, we will explore the captivating world of 1/200 scale model ships, uncovering the key factors to consider when selecting the perfect vessel to grace your collection, from the historical accuracy and the level of detail to the build quality and the overall aesthetic appeal. Number 5. Trumpeter USS Arizona 1/200. This incredible model kit lets you build your own piece of naval history. It's a challenging but rewarding project for experienced modelers. With its impressive 1/200 scale, it captures the grandeur and detail of the USS Arizona. Every rivet and gun turret is meticulously recreated. Prepare for a rewarding build with hundreds of precisely molded parts. You'll be amazed at the level of detail. This kit is perfect for experienced modelers who enjoy a challenge. It will test your skills and patience. Recreate this iconic battleship and remember the brave sailors who served aboard her. It's a stunning addition to any collection. It boasts incredible detail, from the intricate deck structures to the powerful weaponry. You'll be proud to display it. If you're passionate about naval history and model building, this is the perfect kit for you. It's a true masterpiece. What we like. It's a meticulously detailed model of a legendary ship, perfect for history buffs. If you are looking for an accurate representation of a pivotal moment in naval history, this is the model for you. This model is a must-have for any serious collector of naval history models. What people say. The casting detail is truly remarkable. Starting at the beginning with the packaging, you can tell they actually care about their product. Everything is nicely done. All of the photographs and text on the box and inside the instructions and such are crystal clear. Upon inspection of the parts and hull, I would say it's a great model. Good starting point for an easy build. I will say the model isn't too small to where you'd have trouble working on fine details, but not so large that you can't fit it inside your car to drive to a show or the pond if you RC convert the ship. So it's the perfect size in my opinion. I have seen many pictures of the completed model, and have seen numerous how-to videos that made this purchase an easy decision. I really wanted a museum-type model to build as the main part of the diorama, and I believe this is it. Number 4. Trumpeter 1/200 Bismarck. Get ready to build a magnificent replica of the Bismarck, a true icon of naval history. This detailed model kit lets you recreate this mighty warship in your own home. With its impressive 1/200 scale, it captures the Bismarck's imposing presence and intricate details. Prepare to be amazed by its accuracy and realism. It's a ready-to-assemble plastic model kit, perfect for experienced modelers and those looking for a challenging project. Everything you need is included to start building. Clear and concise English instructions guide you through each step of the assembly process. Even beginners can enjoy building this impressive model. Once completed, it will be a stunning centerpiece in any collection, a testament to your skill and a tribute to this legendary battleship. Display it proudly. The kit contains all the necessary plastic parts for assembly. Please note that glue and paints are not included, so you'll need to provide those separately. What we like. This kit offers a challenging and rewarding build experience. If you enjoy complex assembly and are a fan of the German Navy, this is the perfect model for you. It's a great way to test your skills and add a formidable warship to your collection. What people say. This Trumpeter Bismarck kit is absolutely incredible. 1/200 is by far the best scale for any warship models. Large model with highly detailed parts. There is no real reason to purchase an expensive photo etch upgrade for this model. The included photo etch parts are superb. Number 3. Trumpeter USS Iowa BB-61. Prepare for an epic build. This detailed model kit lets you recreate a legendary warship. It's incredibly detailed. You'll be amazed by the accuracy of this 1/200 scale model. Step back in time to one of history's most pivotal naval battles. This model captures the USS Iowa in action. It's a challenging project, perfect for experienced modelers. The final product will be a stunning centerpiece. This kit is designed for modelers aged 14 and up. Adult supervision is recommended. Everything you need to build this magnificent model is included, except glue and paint. Those will need to be purchased separately. Get ready to build. Follow the instructions carefully, and you'll have a fantastic model of the USS Iowa. What we like. It's a highly detailed model of a famous battleship, perfect for recreating a historic battle. If you are interested in the Pacific theater of World War II, this model is a great choice. It's an excellent addition to any collection focused on the battles of World War II. What people say. Goes together well, very nicely detailed. The included photo etched sheets are really good. Overall, it is a magnificent model when finished, with more detail than any smaller scale. This is an outstanding kit and does justice to the real ship. The instructions were straightforward and the parts fit together nearly perfectly. The completed product is huge. Number 2. Trumpeter Glow 2B Yamato. Get ready to experience the Trumpeter Glow 2B Yamato, a premium 1:200 scale model kit. It's a detailed and challenging build, perfect for experienced modelers. This incredible kit boasts over 2,800 parts, allowing for an incredibly realistic representation of the Yamato battleship. Prepare for a rewarding build. With its intricate design and high-quality components, it promises an unparalleled modeling experience. It's more than just a model, it's a work of art. This kit is not a toy, it's designed for serious model enthusiasts aged 14 and above. It requires patience, skill, and attention to detail. Everything you need to build this magnificent model is included in the box. Prepare to embark on an exciting journey of creation. Order yours today and begin constructing a piece of naval history. It's a challenge that will reward you with a stunning model. What we like. This is an incredibly detailed and large model kit, perfect for experienced modelers. If you are looking for a challenging and rewarding project with exceptional detail, this is the one for you. It's a true masterpiece for those who appreciate intricate and highly detailed models. What people say. The number of slide core tools used in this kit is mind-boggling. Slide core allows for details to be represented in more than a single direction of pull, allowing for less parts and better detail with a massive increase in initial tooling costs. This model kit is big, and not for a beginner. There are over 2,800 parts, and at least 15 frets of photo etch parts. Amazing work and quite a technical feat. Number 1. IJN Yamato Battleship Model Kit. Get ready to build your own magnificent IJN Yamato. This detailed kit includes over 2,800 pieces for an incredibly realistic model. It boasts all new tooling and a finely rendered deck pattern. You'll be amazed by the level of accuracy. This isn't just a battleship, it's a whole fleet. 7 types of boats are included, adding depth and realism to your model. Command the skies with 4 included seaplanes, 2 Mitsubishi F1M2S and 2 Aichi E14A1S. They add the finishing touch to your impressive fleet. Enhance the details even further with 15 photo-etched sheets. These are perfect for adding intricate handrails, ladders, and radar parts. With over 2,800 pieces and incredible detail, this kit offers a challenging and rewarding build. Start your IJN Yamato today. What we like. It boasts incredible detail and comes with many extra features, making it a unique and rewarding build. If you value a highly detailed model with many accessories, this is the perfect choice. It's a great way to add a historically significant ship to your collection with many extra details. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.